Hi, my name is Helen and I am a Nest Health bioenergetic wellness practitioner based here in the United Kingdom. I wanted to share some information about something which is of interest to me actually, and it's about aging. So I'm sure we've all probably interested in the aging process, and it's, you know, as we know, it's inevitable, it's going to happen to all of us. However, I've always asked that question of why is it that some people never seem to age. You know, that person, it's kind of like they're almost like they're going backwards in years. And then you've got the other side of the spectrum, that person who seems to be aging very, very quickly. You know, we call that premature aging. So why is that? Okay, yes, there could be some genetics involved, but when we actually look at the aging process, we can then need to look at our lifestyle and how that's affecting that. So a couple of obvious ones would be smoking. Okay, now we all know that smoking is not good for us. However, you know, the people do still smoke, and if you look at a smoker, then you can generally see that perhaps their skin isn't looking as clear, as vibrant as perhaps what it should do. Okay, so you know, smoking is starving the body of the cells of oxygen. There's something we can do very quickly with that. We can actually cut back on smoking, or perhaps even quit altogether. The next one would be about food. So when we eat a lot of a diet that's high in sugar and in refined carbohydrates, again, that will have an effect and accelerate that aging process in the body. So what we want to be doing is we want to choosing foods that are sort of high in more antioxidants. Okay. We then look at stress. So stress, you know, is a major contributing factor towards aging. Okay, so you put somebody under a lot of stress, and you know, it will change their breathing. Their blood isn't getting oxygenated as it should do. Perhaps their posture is affected. How they're able to view things, it's going to perhaps affect their sleep pattern. So things we can do if we're feeling stressed would be to do some deep breathing exercises, some meditation, look at some mindfulness, perhaps even some yoga, and find things that we can do to help the body to de-stress. Now, the big one, and this is really probably, you know, what I would say is affecting more and more of us, and it's to do with our 21st century lifestyle. Okay, so we live in an information age, we live in a technology age, we also live in an age of what we would class as blue light. And blue light is emitted from from LED lighting, from computer screens, from our tablets, from our mobile phones, from our TVs. And blue light at the wrong time of day, in the afternoon into the evening, what this does, this sends a trigger to the body to say, oh, it's daytime, daylight hours. So what that does, that then stops the production of the hormone melatonin. Okay, so what happens then, we have that reduction in melatonin in the body, and that then will have an effect on our accelerating of our aging process. Okay, so things that we can do would be to, you know, cut back on how much blue light we're being exposed to, making sure that we're, you know, perhaps using the different downloads to help with that bright light in the afternoon and into the evening. So look at things like that. The other thing that we can do, and I have decided to share my secret with you, is the youth infraceutical. Now, some of you are probably thinking, what on earth is that? Okay, so the youth infraceutical, this is part of a range, and this is what we call a liquid supplement. And what it does, it provides the what we call our body's control system with the correct information, okay, to guide that control system. So when our energetic body, or our body field, is working at a more optimal level, it can actually help to restore the proper function to the body. Okay, this particular one helps the body and protect it from electromagnetic radiation. So we think about, you know, radiation from our computer screens, from our Wi-Fi, anything that's connected with our 21st century lifestyle. The youth infraceutical is fantastic for that. So this is what I take, and what I do is I add these drops to some, either to a small glass of water, or sometimes I just take them directly into my mouth. And between 9 and 15 drops. I've been, because of the whole lockdown and spending so much more time in front of computers, I have actually been taking this twice a day. So if you would like to find out more about the Nest Health Biodynamic Wellness System, find out more about the Euthypharmaceutical and other things that we do, I'd love you to, to engage with me or any of our other practitioners. So as I said, my name's Helen. Please visit nesthealth.com. Lots of great information on there to share with you. Thanks very much.